Hi beautiful people, welcome to Macoms Veg Kitchen. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I'd please urge you to subscribe, like, share, and let's get interactive in the comment section. In today's video, we are making the famous Ghanaian AbunuAbunu, also known as green soup, the vegetarian style. So the ingredients are green or habanero pepper, garden eggs, Anie seeds, onions, ginger and garlic, mushroom, veg cubes, kontomire, also known as the cocoyam leaves, WAGAASHIE, which is the star ingredient of today. I start off by bringing water to a boil and adding my kontomire or cocoyam leaves. I then add my green or habanero pepper and cover it for about 5 minutes to boil. I go ahead to dice my wagashi. Wagashi is a type of West African deep fried cheese made from cow's milk, and trust me, it tastes so good. I put my wagashi in a pot. I go ahead to cut my onions. Cut my ginger and garlic. With this, I use just 2 cloves of garlic, and then I put it in my blender. So in my blender, I have my ginger, onion, and garlic. I go ahead to add my Anie seeds to my ginger, onion, garlic, add a little bit of water, and then blend it. After it's blended, I then go ahead to pour it on my wagashi. This is going to give it a very nice flavor. I'm going to use it to season it for some time. I add my veg cubes to it. And then I add my salt to taste. Give it a stir. And bring it to a boil on a medium-low heat. I then go ahead to check on my kontomire and pepper. At this point, my kontomire and pepper is perfectly cooked. So I take it off the fire and drain the water. We are not going to do away with this water. No, because it has nutrients from the kontomire. We are going to be using it. I go ahead to blend my boiled pepper and add it to the wagashi on fire. At this point, it's time to add my mushrooms. My mushrooms are neatly prepped and cleaned, so I add my mushrooms to the wagashi. And cover it for it to cook perfectly. I then go ahead to blend my kontomire, aka cocoyam leaves. I blend my kontomire a few seconds to make sure it has a smooth texture. And then I go ahead to add it to my wagashi and mushroom on fire. I then rinse out my blender and add it to the soup. At this point, we are getting somewhere. My soup smells good already. You should be here to taste it. I dice my garden eggs and also add it to the soup. I cover my soup and bring it to a boil for about 15 minutes. I then taste for salt, and at this point everything is just how I like it. Kasa. I decided to pair mine with fufu. You can pair yours with any side of your choice. It can be rice, it can be omutuo, it can be yam, it can be kokonte, any side of your choice, and trust me, you are going to enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched to this point, you are the real MVP. Shouts to you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay beautiful, stay positive. See you in my next one. Bye.